I'll swim and sail on savage seas, with ne'er a fear of drowning, and gladly ride the waves of life